Hello and welcome to my new video on computer memory. We will talk about computer memory and its types in this video. So let's start. In computing, memory refers to a device that is used to store information for immediate use in a computer or related computer hardware device. It plays a very important role in a computer. It is the basic unit where data and instructions are stored. ये एक ऐसा पार्ट है कंप्यूटर में जिसमें कि हम कोई भी कमांड इंस्ट्रक्शंस जो भी हम कंप्यूटर में फाइल स्टोर करते हैं वो सब जाके मेमोरी में ही स्टोर होती हैं. A computer system is also equipped with some additional memory devices which are generally used to store programs, applications, data needed by those instructions, and the result of processing the data, that is, information. Just like solids are measured in grams or kilograms, and liquids are measured in liters or milliliters, similarly, the computer memory can be measured in bits or bytes. जैसे कि हम सॉलिड्स को किलोग्राम या ग्राम्स में और लिक्विड को यानी कि अगर कोई तरल पदार्थ है उसको हम लीटर्स में या मिलीलीटर्स में उसको मेजर करते हैं, वैसे ही कंप्यूटर की मेमोरी को मेजर करने के लिए हम जो मेमोरी यूनिट्स का यूज करते हैं वो है बिट्स और बाइट्स. A computer processes and stores data and instructions in the form of two digits 0 and 1. These digits are called binary digits or in short form bits. A bit is the smallest unit of information that a computer can process and store. A group of 4 bits is known as nibble and a group of 8 bits is called byte. A byte is the minimum space required to store a character. Here a character can be any alphabet, any number, any special symbol. इट मीन्स कि अगर आप कंप्यूटर में कुछ भी टाइप कर रहे हैं, अगर कोई अल्फाबेट टाइप किया, कोई नंबर टाइप किया, तो एक नंबर या अल्फाबेट या स्पेशल सिंबल को वो कैरेक्टर समझेगा और अ बाइट इज द मिनिमम स्पेस रिक्वायर्ड टू स्टोर अ कैरेक्टर. एंड व्हाट इज बाइट? अ ग्रुप ऑफ 8 बिट्स. सो now we understood about bit and byte. Now 1 kilobyte is equals to 1024 bytes, and 1 megabyte is equals to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte is equals to 1024 megabyte, and 1 terabyte is equals to 1024 gigabyte. Now we understood about computer memory. It's a part where data and instructions are stored, where our files are stored, where our computer programs are stored, where everything that is required by us, every file that is required by us or our computer is stored. So, memory you understood very well. Now, let us discuss more about what are the types of computer memory. So, broadly, computer memory is divided into two types. One is the primary memory, which is also known as temporary memory, and the another one is secondary memory, which is also known as permanent memory. Primary memory, that is also known as temporary memory. By name, it is very clear that whatever is stored in this memory, that is primary memory, is stored temporarily, and the data is flushed out, or you can say deleted, as soon as the power of the computer is switched off or the computer restarts. So, about primary memory, the primary memory of computer is RAM, random access memory. This is the RAM. This is called the random access memory. And when we give commands to the computer, those commands or instructions are stored in this part of the computer. This RAM is mounted on the motherboard of the computer, and the CPU fetch the instructions or commands given by the user of the computer from this part. So there are different types of RAMs, DDR1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are the RAMs of the computer. And I'll also want to show you the RAM of laptops. These are the RAMs of laptops, smaller in size, but the capacity is similar. This is a primary memory or temporary memory. Then comes ROM, that is also a type of primary memory. But this ROM, this chip, small chip, this is mounted on the motherboard, right? So this is also a primary memory, and this whole board is called motherboard. And just below this fan, a small chip is mounted, that is called processor or CPU, which is the brain of the computer. And this RAM is mounted here. We have to mount it here, right? So these are the two types of memories, primary memories, RAM and ROM. This is ROM and this one is RAM. Primary memory is a computer memory that a processor or computer accesses first or directly. हम कोई भी कमांड या इंस्ट्रक्शन कंप्यूटर को जब देते हैं तो वो कमांड और इंस्ट्रक्शन जो है वो सबसे पहले रैम में जाके स्टोर होती है और प्रोसेसर वहीं से उस कमांड या इंस्ट्रक्शंस को पिक करता है. RAM is the main memory in a computer and it is much faster to read from and write to than other kinds of storage devices. Three common types of RAMs are dynamic RAM, static RAM, and magnetoresistive RAM. Then comes our secondary memory, which is permanent in nature. When we store any file or our data or instruction in the computer, it is stored permanently in these parts. These are permanent or secondary storage devices, and data will remain there even you switch off your computer. So this is the hard disk of a laptop, and this is the hard disk of a computer. So I'll show you the hard disk of computer. This is the hard disk of desktop computer, and ये जो hard disk है ये है laptop की, right? Compact, small. Another you can say example of secondary memory is pen drive or flash drive. Different types of flash drives are there, having different capacities: 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB, right? Different types of RAMs are there, pen drives are there. These are also secondary storage devices, permanent in nature. Data stored on secondary storage devices will remain there even you switch off your computer. आपका जो सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज डिवाइस है वो परमानेंट है नेचर में. अगर आपने उसमें कोई फाइल या डाटा स्टोर किया तो वो तब तक डिलीट नहीं होगा जब तक आप उसको डिलीट नहीं करेंगे. देन another example of secondary storage device is your CD, DVD, your Blu-ray disc. These all are secondary storage devices. So in if we want to access some file from this, we need a DVD writer or CD writer or DVD player or CD player. right? So this is another example of a permanent memory, secondary storage memory. Then another one is the backup hard disk. It is an external hard disk. This is also a external hard disk, 1 TB. It means 1024 GB. Very good. 1024 GB gigabyte is equals to 1 terabyte. Cache memory is an extremely fast memory type that acts as a buffer between RAM and the CPU. It holds frequently requested data and instructions so that they are immediately available to the CPU when needed. Most of today's computers improve their processing time with cache. It improves the processing speed of the computer because it stores frequently used instructions and data. Cache is built in the processor chip. A cache is a smaller, faster memory located closer to a processor core, which stores copies of the data from frequently used main memory locations. This is all about computer memory and its types. I hope आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज मेरे वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें.